Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to stop PayPal from charging you automatically? Here's how to cancel automatic payments in under a minute. Log into your account, click your profile icon, then go to from here, click Pay and Get Paid, then select Payouts or Payment Settings. Then click Manage Automatic Payments. You will see a list of merchants you are subscribed to. Click on the one to cancel, then hit cancel or cancel automatic payments at the bottom. Confirm your choice and you are done. No more surprise charges for at that merchant. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.